Hello, my name is Gesine and I will be sharing a 3-day women's workshop. It's called the Heart Womb Alchemy. And during these days we will practice a lot of rituals to reveal the wisdom of the womb. So we are aiming to bring the awareness down from the head first into the heart, so developing a self-awareness and very much also self-love. This topic, self-love, is so important for many women, and here through the heart we can really blossom into another connection with ourselves. And then from this presence, from this awareness, we will drop even deeper down into the womb. The womb is a really mystical and powerful place for us women. Usually or often we can be quite disconnected from this place. We are used to be a lot in the mind, in the head, logical thinking, but the womb in itself carries a very special intelligence through which we women can really tap into a new power, also in our creativity, into love for life and creating consciously. So during these days we will have many different rituals, from the tantric tradition, from the Taoist tradition. We will also learn things from the shamanic tradition. So usually kind of like feminine based spiritual traditions. We will be together with sisters, which is a medicine just in itself. There will be rituals of singing, so we will be opening our voice, because the voice and our creative center are very deeply connected. So we will do practices opening the voice, we will also dance, we will do ceremonies, an initiation into the rite of the womb. And yeah, these days are really for us to connect and to heal this feminine essence, which we all carry, but which wants to blossom even more into our lives and also into the collective field. So I deeply invite you from the heart and from the womb as well to come and join and to come together as sisters, supporting each other, healing together, celebrating life, celebrating the sacredness, and also really developing that awareness to this consciousness and meeting both, like the awareness and the energy, Shiva and Shakti, dancing together. So the Heart Womb Alchemy is an homage to this union, to this yoga of Shiva and Shakti, and shows how we can embody this in our life. So you are deeply welcome to join for this ritualistic weekend of 3 days, celebrating life together.